Deep within the heart of Malawi's Mulanje Mountains lies a natural wonder that has captivated the imagination of visitors for centuries. Let's embark on a journey to discover the secrets of Dziwe Mkhalamba. Dziwe Mkhalamba is a stunning natural pool formed by the Mulanje Mountains' unique geology. The pool is approximately 3 to 4 meters deep, making it a popular spot for swimming and relaxation. Visitors from all over the world come to experience the tranquility and the beauty of this natural wonder. Dziwe Mkhalamba holds significant cultural and spiritual importance for the local community. Traditional ceremonies are often performed here, and the site is believed to be sacred. The area surrounding Dziwe Mkhalamba offers stunning views, hiking trails, and opportunities for bird watching. Visitors can explore the unique geology and biodiversity of the Mulanje Mountains. The government of Malawi and the local organizations have implemented conservation efforts to protect the pool and its surroundings. These initiatives aim to preserve the site's natural beauty and cultural significance, while also contributing to the development of the local community. As we conclude our journey to Dziwe Mkhalamba, we are reminded the importance of preserving our natural wonders for future generations.